How to get and redeem Patagonia promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in Patagonia promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo code. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one, CNET Coupons. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check. 44% off, 50% off, $25 off, $140 off, and so on. If you're interested in any of the offer, click on the option of Show Coupon. So here's the coupon code. Make sure you check the details of the coupon, whether it is valid or not. Now you can copy it, head towards the website of Patagonia, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option, copy coupon and visit store. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Patagonia. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers. Also, you can give a try to these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of promo codes. Well, this is how you can get and redeem Patagonia promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.